Challenge 16. Can't select option. Please see if you can fix. So open code sandbox. Right, so it's clearly a material UI dependency based project. Form control. Okay. So have we got a component called form control? The answer is no, and I did that by holding control and pressing click. If it was ours, if it was one of our components, then it would have gone straight to a file somewhere in our tree, but it did this, which means it actually is material UI. So let's look through it. So on submit, it says handle submit, so I'll trigger that handle submit function. Let's try and find handle submit. Handle submit is here. It takes the event, and then it says event.prevent default. That's that property. I'm not really sure what that does, so I might have to Google that. And then afterwards, it has a conditional statement saying if the value equals best, then run this code. Set helper to you got it. Okay, so I'm guessing the answer is best, but that's not the point. And if it's the worst, then say sorry, wrong answer. And else, please select option. So right now it's on. Right now it's none of them because we haven't submitted. That's fine. Okay, so what I would do is first of all, I'll basically look at all the functions and see what's triggering them. So we've looked at the handle submit function. Now we want to look at the handle radial change and see what that actually there it is. There's the trigger. So on change. So I assume that means on change to one of these. It could have been on click. It could have been on change. Doesn't matter. So let's look into it. It says it takes the event again, and then it sets the value, event.target.value. So it says if that's true or if that's been confirmed, then you change set value to true, and if it's not true, then set it to false. And set helper to that, and then set error. But we saw down here that these conditional statements only work if the value is best or worst. But it doesn't look like there's anything that's changing value to best or worse at all. It just says true or false. So let's console. Alright, so I'm going to console log value. Where should I put it though? Right, so let's console.log value. It should say true or false. And what's going on? Where is it? Has it gone? That's strange. Make styles from Coda styles. Okay, well, it looks like this is out of date, so I'm just gonna do that in the meantime, because I'm not sure how to install a dependency on this free version of Code Sandbox. Okay, that seems to have worked. So what I'm going to do now is, instead of making it true or false, I'm going to say if the target, if the target.value equals best, then change value to best. If it doesn't equal best, then change value to worst. Okay, so then the console should be, the value should be either best or worst, and then that should trigger this one, because then this condition will be true or this condition will be true. So let's see. That's a little bit delayed, but we don't really need to worry about the console log. So that's working. So now let's press submit. So it's supposed to work like this. If value is best, which it is right now, it just say you got it. So okay, so it looks like that's the fix. Alright, let's move on to the next one.